In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrow indicators before values in Tableau. This is a fantastic way to visually represent changes in your data, making your presentations more dynamic and easier to understand. Let's get started by launching the Tableau app. If you haven't already done this, simply find the Tableau icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Once Tableau is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the worksheet where you would like to add these trend indicators. Now that you're in your worksheet, it's time to choose the specific workbook where you want to add arrow indicators. Once you've selected the right workbook, locate the percentage calculation for which you want to enhance with these indicators. To do this, just right-click on the percentage calculation field. This action reveals a menu of options where you'll need to find and click on Default Properties. You'll then see another set of options appear. From here, look for Number Format on the list and select it. Choosing the right number format is crucial in customizing how you want your values to appear. For our purposes, you should click on Custom, allowing you to dictate exactly how the numbers and their indicators will display. Next, we need to grab the icons for our indicators. Open your browser and search for alt codes, which are essentially keyboard shortcuts for inserting various symbols. You will be looking for the alt codes for upwards and downwards filled arrows. These symbols will serve as your visual indicators of increases and decreases. Once you have found these arrow symbols, click on each one to copy them. With your arrows ready to go, return to Tableau and locate the place where you can paste these arrows within the Custom Number Format field. Simply paste the copied arrows into this section. Be mindful of where you paste them to ensure they appear correctly in front of your values. Finally, click OK to finalize your changes, and there you have it. The up and down indicators should now be visible before your values. This visual aid makes data trends much clearer at a glance and can really enhance the effectiveness of your data presentations. With these arrow indicators in place, your workbook in Tableau can now provide more insight into how particular values are trending, giving you and your viewers a better understanding of the data story being told. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your Tableau skills. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.